Good morning all. Today we will be taking up our next page replacement algorithm that is known as second chance algorithm. Now this algorithm, this is a variant of FIFO algorithm. When a page is selected, its reference bit is inspected. Now if the value of the reference bit is 0, we proceed to replace this page. Otherwise, if the reference bit is 1, we give it a second chance and move on to the next page, which is to be selected as the victim page to be replaced. Normally the circular queue is used to implement the second chance algorithm. Okay, so what is there in second chance algorithm? This is a FIFO algorithm, and which page is to be selected for replacement? This is selected by checking for the reference bit. If the value is 0, then we proceed to replace that page, whereas if the value is 1, then we give a second chance to that page and move on to the next page to be selected as the victim page, which is to be replaced. Normally a circular queue is used to implement the second chance algorithm. We'll be looking this whole thing by the means of one example. So this is a reference string we have taken up. Now we'll be implementing this by the means of second chance algorithm. So first is we're given with the reference string 2321524532252. Suppose there are three frames we are taking up. In the first case 2 is there, it is inserted. Okay. In the next case 3 is not there, it will be inserted. So the reference bit for 2 is selected as 0. For 3 it is selected as 0. In the next case, we'll be having 2 being inserted. Next bit is 2. Now 2 is already over there. So what we'll be doing? We'll be changing the reference bit of 2 from 0 to 1. Clear? What is there? We're supposed to insert 2, but 2 is already over here. But what we'll be doing? We'll be changing the reference bit of 2 from 0 to 1, because previously 2 was there. Now again we're trying to the next bit we are getting is 2. So here the reference bit of 2 changes to 1. For 3 it changes to 0. Then we have 1. There is one free frame. 1 will be inserted over here. Reference bit for 3 and 1 will be 0, but for 2 it will be 1. Next comes 5. For 5 we are supposed to replace one of the pages. It can be 2, 3, 1. We are supposed to look at the will be following the FIFO rule. According to FIFO rule, 2 should be the page that should be selected for replacement, but looking at the reference bit of 2, it is 1. So 2 needs to be given the second chance. So leaving 2 will be replacing from 3 and 1, which is the oldest one. That page will be replaced from this. 3 is the oldest one. 3 will be replaced with 5, but corresponding reference bit of 1 is changed from 1 to 0. This thing must be clear. From 231 we're supposed to select one of the page for replacement. It can be 2, 3, 1, but which is the oldest one? It is true, but the corresponding reference bit for 2 is 1. So we cannot replace it. We shall give it a second chance. So reference bit of 2 will be changed from 1 to 0, and corresponding from 3 to 3 and 1, which is the oldest one. 3 is the oldest one. So 3 will be replaced with 5. So the corresponding reference bit of 2 is changed to 0. Clear? Now next comes the 5 bit. For replacing 5, we need to select from 2, 3 and 1. Then checking at that which is the oldest page, it is the 3. So 3 will be replaced with 5, and all the reference bits for 2, 5 and 1, this will come out to be 0. Clear? In the next we have 2. 2 is already over here, so we won't be replacing anything, but the reference bit of 2 from 0, it will be changed to 1. Rest remains the same. Then comes 5. For 5 we're supposed to select next bit is 4. We're supposed to select from 2, 5 and 1, which is the oldest one. So looking at this, which is the oldest one, then we'll be finding out that from this 0, 2 is given a second chance again because its reference bit is 0. From 5 and 1 will be replacing 1 because 1 is the oldest one, so it will be 1 will be replaced with 4. In the similar way, in the next step where 5 is to be inserted, 5 is already over here, but the reference bit of 5 will be changed from 0 to 1. In the next case, we are supposed to insert 3. Page to be selected is 2, 5, 4. So from 2, 5, 4, what we'll be doing? We'll be checking at the various pages. It is 2, 5, 4. 2 is the oldest one. 2 will be replaced with 3. Reference bit of 3 and 4 will remain 0, and 5 is 1. Then comes 2. 2 needs to be replaced. Then looking at frames 3, 5, 4, 5 is the oldest one, but it is reference bit is 1, so it will be changed from reference bit will be changed from 1 to 0, so 5 won't be replaced. From 3 and 4, 4 is the oldest one, so replace 4 with 2. Similarly, next comes 5. 5 is already there, but the reference bit for 5 will be changed from 0 to 1. Similarly, next comes 2. 2 is already there, but the reference bit of 2 will be changed to 1. This is how the strings are processed in a second chance algorithm. Suppose if you are asked to count out the number of page faults, this will come out to be 7 page faults. You can count it by itself. It shall come out to be 7 page faults. This is how what is done in the second chance algorithm. Thank you.